Hello, my beloved students. Take my cordial love. I would like to welcome you to my class. I am Tripti Roy, Assistant Teacher, Government Girls High School, Rangpur. This class is for class 9 and 10, English second paper, tag question. Dear students, in my previous class, I talked about some of the basic rules of tag question. That was part 1. And this is part 2. Let's move on to our class. We will discuss some of the basic rules of tag question. Here comes the first one. Subject of a tag can never be noun. It is always a pronoun. Example, Aditi has not eaten. This is a statement. The tag question of this statement is Aditi has not eaten. Has she? Dear students, as Aditi is a girl, so we have used she as the pronoun of Aditi. Next one. Aditya will not play. Aditya will not play. Will he? Aditya is a boy, so we have used he. If the subject of statement is this or that, the subject of tag will be it. Example, this is a very fine picture, isn't it? That is not a doll, is it? Let's move on to the next rule. If the subject of statement is these or those, the subject of tag will be they. Example, these are ripe mangoes, aren't they? Those were your books, aren't they? If the subject of statement is there, the subject of tag will be there. Example, there are many trees in our village, aren't there? There was not enough time, was there? If the subject of statement is nothing, something, everything, the subject of tag will be it. Example, nothing is greater than their sacrifice, is it? Everything looks beautiful in a moonlit night, doesn't it? If the subject of the statement is nobody, somebody, everybody, everyone, no one, the subject of tag will be they and the verb will be plural. Example, nobody went there, did they? Everybody hates him, don't they? If the subject of the statement is all of us, some of us, most of us, the subject of tag will be we. Example, some of us had brilliant idea, hadn't we? If the subject of the statement is all of them, some of them, most of them, the subject of tag will be they. Example, some of them were honest, weren't they? All of them came yesterday, didn't they? Next one. If the subject of the statement is all of, some of, most of, and plural noun, the subject of tag will be they. Example, some of my classmates became addicted to using mobile phones, didn't they? Here, look at the rule very carefully. Some of and the plural noun, my classmates. Next one, most of. The students are polite, aren't they? If the subject of a statement is lower class animal or infant or non-living object, the subject of tag will be it. The cat is very beautiful, isn't it? The baby was crying, wasn't it? Train, moon, earth, motherland, river, spring, etc. are considered as feminine gender. So, if any of them is used as the subject of a statement, the subject of tag will be she. Example, the moon shines at night, doesn't she? Sun, death, summer, war, winter, etc. are considered as masculine gender. So, if any of them is used as the subject of a statement, the subject of tag will be he. Example, the summer has set in, hasn't he? If the subject of a statement is material noun or abstract noun, the subject of tag question will be it. Example, milk is white, isn't it? The mother rose in her, didn't it? My dear students, look at the rule very carefully. If we see he apostrophe s or she apostrophe s and V3, that means the past participle form of the verb, the auxiliary verb of the tag will be has. He has caught a bird, hasn't he? But if we see he apostrophe s or she apostrophe s and verb ing, the auxiliary verb of the tag will be is. He is going to open a bank account, isn't he? If we see had better or had rather in the statement, the auxiliary verb of the tag question will be hadn't. Example, you had better go to school, hadn't you? If the auxiliary verb of the statement is would or would rather, the auxiliary verb of the tag question will be wouldn't. He would rather help the poor, wouldn't he? My dear beloved students, I hope you have listened to me carefully and watched the class very attentively. So, there is an activity for you. Make tag questions of these statements. 1. Nobody believes a cheat. 2. There is little water in this pond. 3. Trust begets friendship. 4. Nothing is more enjoyable to them than cricket. 5. Life is very uncertain on earth. Dear students, try yourself and do the activity. Let's check the answers. Nobody believes a cheat. Do they? There is little water in this pond. Is there? Trust begets friendship, doesn't it? 4. Nothing is more enjoyable to them than cricket. Is it? 5. Life is very uncertain on earth. Isn't it? My dear student, here comes your homework. Make tag questions of these statements. Write down these statements in your notebooks and do the homework. Let me read. The first one is, there is hardly any person who does not like flowers. 2. Bees go flower to collect honey. 3. Nobody trusts a liar. 4. Health is wealth. 5. Trees are our best friends. Dear students, here is a message for you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students, for being with me, and goodbye.